Hello and welcome, Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How are you doing, guys? So we've got another delivery from pretty much Aliexpress, okay? So let's check what's inside, because I'm ordering a lot of tools, a lot of spares, and for those who don't know, the best bargains on Temu or on all those cheap platforms are cheap because these companies can add to the profits. Oh, so DIY edition. I thought I'll need to solder the components, okay, but that's audio amp, preamp, sorry, excuse me, that's preamp, and that's valves, okay. So I don't need to solder. I thought I will need to solder. So I've got okay, so on off button, and I can plug in the capsule and see how this will preamplify a microphone. So I will be able to test it. I've got that second one here, okay, and this one. So I will be testing the quality and we will see which one is better, because I'm quite curious, because I would like to install new microphone. So good that it came. Maybe we will improve audio on video recordings. Happy days. So yeah, if you wanna save up with Chinese orders, it's a good way to use those companies, but keep in mind that by using those companies you're selling your data, yes? So it's a normal thing. You just either agree to selling your data or pause because somebody's calling. Sorry, this time it wasn't the customer, this time was a spam caller. So we've got Hall effect sensors for PlayStation 5 this time, because I have for Xboxes here, and for Elite are still coming. I paid about £3 per each. I can't tell you exactly because I don't remember from top of my head. And from second seller, different one. I want to compare if they will be the same or not. Yes, so we will see. So yeah, when you buy from those companies, just keep in mind your data is sold. So everything, phone number, just everything. Oh, these are just regular screws for PC cases. I've ordered some because I've got customers here coming to fix their PC and the screws are missing, you know. So I said, okay, let me order some screws. Oh, that's another different types of screws. These are cheap as well, and that's in a box probably. Yes, that's in a box. Oh, look, the quality of China deliveries. Don't get me wrong, I've got good products sent from China, top quality. I wouldn't buy like mechanic, which is much dearer. Yes, I would definitely go and buy again. And then you've got those cheap ones. So these are regular screws you see, like the PC case screws, and different types. Okay, so I will need to see what I can do to improve this packaging a bit, reorganize them. So yeah, a lot of screws, a lot of joystick components for these, but I don't have the Elite yet, so Elite ones will come. And there's other parts. Oh yeah, so that's for my boys to run and check and catch mosquitoes. So that's for a bit of fun. I can't lose this one because that's from the Elite. Oh, you see, I don't want to touch by hand when it will be charged, but it's a mosquito catcher. So you get batteries, or okay, it's blocked here. Came charged. Yeah, see, it's on, it's off. Now it's with a, oh, there is a light. Okay, and now when you press, you've got it. So you can go to the fly or mosquito and tap it, and then electrocuted, or with a light, you see, to have it fancier. Now it's permanent on. So that's for my boys to run, because the summer is coming and a lot of flies and other stuff will be trying to reach our house. I will show you the prices at the end of the video, but because it was cheap and I said, you know, they will have some fun. We've got brilliant user manual as well, you know, and in Chinese, of course. You know, if you would learn Chinese, that's very useful. For me, it's not. So let's face it. It will go to the bin straight away. What else do we have? Oh yes, I bought 500, and that should be 5 packs. That's weird, because I'm missing. That's 300. 100 pieces each, and I bought 500. 1, 2, 3. That's 300. I remember I paid for 500. Let me pause and check the auction. My bad. I've ordered 300. So yeah. Sorry guys, but it's cheap, you know. I paid like £1.47 for 300 of them. I want to compare them with quality, because for electronics we use them every so often, so I wanted to just compare the quality, and if they are quite good and much cheaper, why not? I know earbuds, I know, like that's Wi-Fi card on USB. I'm buying them in China every so often, because if I need to pay about £15 in the UK, you know, or cheap ones which I don't know, whereas these ones I know, and that's with Bluetooth. Okay, so with a Bluetooth, so this I know, and it's fine. Okay. One, that's another one which is probably PCI Express. Yeah, that's for PCI with 2 antennas, so you see. I know these cards, I know the quality, I know they are lasting for years, and you pay about £5-6 for the card, and I'm selling them for £15 to the customers, so I'm not afraid of buying it. I bought them number of times and none yet failed. So yes, if there will be some electric charge or electrostatic charge or something, can go bad. And that's the second, another one, but without Bluetooth, because not everyone wants Bluetooth. So yeah, it's USB 3.0 dual band, so 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, and AX 1800, so that's something. But anyways, the difference is pretty much this one doesn't have Bluetooth, that second one has a Bluetooth. So I took 2 because I think I've got only one without a Bluetooth, so I said I will order one with a Bluetooth. The price is pretty much cheap. $4.42 plus VAT. The buds, it's 300 pieces for $147 plus VAT, so 20% more. 516 is the PC version of the PCI Express card, and 368 is the mosquito catcher. Yeah, so that's that. These are the prices. Okay, and the rest of the orders. I've got another order which is the non-Bluetooth card for $590, but that's no Bluetooth. And with these tools, these are prying tools of different source and kind. I just bought them to expand my collection of prying tools. These are metal prying tools, so they are not good for everything, but it's quite a few shapes in them. I paid 5 pair of breathable socks, sport socks. We will see how they will be, because they are only $147. And these ones went for 147 as well, and these are the socks. Okay, I don't think you want to see the socks, but I'll show you anyway. You can't go wrong with 147 for 5 pairs. Okay, time to show the prices and we can call it a day. 10 minutes. Let's do it, guys, quickly. Okay, so yeah, as I said, that's a non-Bluetooth card. That's why it's 590. Socks and those prying tools. Next here you get a mosquito killer. The Bluetooth version of the, no, that's the PC version of the card. That's those 300 and 442 for the Bluetooth version. Yes, so that's what it came. I don't know if there's anything else which came. That didn't come, which is a shame because I need to fix gamepad, but that didn't come. Yeah, I bought some other stuff as well and they didn't come. Look, it's tracking. Received by a local delivery company on the 10th, so today. So that will be on Monday or on Tuesday here. That's okay. Well, what can you do? Here it's received by a local company, which I need. So probably Monday or Tuesday I can fix for the customer their devices, but that's it. That's everything in the video. I'm always ordering, not, but most of the time I'm ordering stuff. Then if I'm happy with the purchases, the technicians who are here, they see if I'm using these tools or I'm not using these tools, and they are able to buy or not buy because they see the quality. And then we're looking for alternatives which are better if I bought something which is shady. Yes, so these ones, one of the technicians have bought them. I didn't know that. I bought them myself, just, you know, just myself, and he said, oh, I bought them, they are nice. Yes, so I said, okay, good. So they are cheap and we know they are nice, so I will use them as well here, and he will use them as well here when he's here, and then other technicians can buy them because they are super cheap. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That's everything. If possible, leave us a like button. If you would like to learn more about any of these which we bought, please let me know. I can comment to your comment if we find them useful or something. But that's everything in this episode. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.